everyone, my name is Sayo JD Tommy S. Montague, and today I will show you an example of calculating the resultant of a concurrent system. Yun lang. So, we have here is that three forces. So, we are going to solve them, but first, this is the first one to bring down. We are going to bring them down cause there is such an cause there are the first one. So this is how you write here 10, 30 degrees. Ay, so sorry. So in this side we have 90 degrees. We all know that this have 90 degrees. So this is the second one, so we're just going to plus this 2 degrees out. So 90 plus 90 is 180, but we are going to minus this 20. So it will going to be just 160. So we are going to bring down the 15n, so just like this, 15 and 160 degrees. So, as I said earlier, this all have their own side. So, their side has 90 degrees on them. So, we are going to plus all the sides by their degrees. So, there are 4 sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we're going to plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. So, that will be 360. But, as I said, we are going to minus this just like we did at this, like that. And so 360 minus 75 is equals to 285. So we're going to bring this down and going to write the 285. So 3 and 185 degrees. So let's proceed on our calculation since we got this already. So this is the f-axis. So we have 3 to solve here. So we're going to have f1 was 10 cosine 30. So in f-axis, we always have cosine, ha? So equals to, so in calculator, here is how you solve it. Cos 30 was, that is the answer. So we're going to write down 8.7 cos is the factor. Then f2 is equals to 15 cosine 160 degrees equals to, just like before, going to 15 cosine 160 equals to negative 14. So going to write negative 14.1. So in F3, we have 20 cosine 285 degrees. So just going to solve them. 20 cosine 285 is equals to positive 5.2. So we are going to plus this all, this, and this will be like this. Plus So just plus it like this. 8.7 plus negative 14.1 plus positive 5.2 is equals to negative 0.2. So we are going to move on, and here is the FY axis. So just like before, we are going to have 1, 2, 3. So 1 equals to 10 sin 30 degrees. So if f-axis has cosine, then what fy axis is have sin. So this will be 10 sin 30 was, so this is just 5. Okay, number 2 was 16 sin 160 degrees. It was 15 sin, so sorry, I forgot. 15 sin 160. That is our answer. So it will be 5.1 since you can add the 3 kasi it's lower than, so 20 sin 285 degrees equals to 20 sin 285 equals negative 19.3. So just like this, we are going to do the same thing. Y axis point, so just gonna plus it like 5 plus 5.1 plus negative 19.3 is equals to negative 9.2. Okay, now let's move forward. Let's do the FR equals, just copy this, and come with parenthesis negative 0.2, then square root plus negative 9.2 square root equals, we are going to solve that. Okay, 0.2 square root, going to just like that, 0.0041 plus negative 9.2 square root 84.64. Then we're going to add them, so that will be negative 0.2 plus 84.64 is equals to 84.44. That is our final answer. Then let's proceed to the tangent, which is like this, equals tan negative 1. Then just like before, this will be our point 2. But first in tangent is this as y, because it's like this. So negative 0.2 equals to going to negative 9.2 divide 0. Ay, negative 0.2 was 46. No, this is not the final answer. I'm so sorry.
I make here a mistake, but everybody makes a mistake,
That
so
is
don't judge me
46.
because I made the 2 mistake there and
Then
I make it
was,
right. I did it right, so
and then
don't
just
judge
split
me.
the tangent and was, wait, sorry, I'm wrong. This should be negative 9.2 divide negative 0.2 was tangent, sir, is final answer will be 1.0. So we are going to proceed the paragraph drawing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's going to draw it. So here is the 0.2. So this will be negative 9.2. There. And that's all. Thank you for listening. We're done. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you on my next vlog.